So this is my harvest for today. These are radish. I have already harvested radish leaves and I had kept some for seeds. But there are so many pods that I'm going to harvest seeds for next year. And this pods I'm making first time. You can make vegetable of it. You can boil it, cook it nicely, and then stir fry with spices. And it's crunchy in taste. And you have to add some. It has a radish flavor, and it's very, very tasty. So I'm harvesting this radish pods and already harvested radish leaves and this roots. When you keep it for pods and flowers, the you cannot harvest radish roots because they kind of shrink. So you have to harvest pods and then put the plant in the compost. So these are also growing. So next week I'll have some more radish pods to harvest and make wonderful vegetable. It's very tasty and very, very healthy. Here I have some beautiful red amaranth. Red amaranth, I just put like rice water, dal, lentil water, and some cow manure, which I brought from departmental stores. Any kind you can use, and they will grow. This is the third time for this season I'm harvesting it, and I'm going to completely harvest it, completely chop it off, and then it will grow into more branches. Uh, Red amaranth is also very healthy. Uh, for some reason, this year I have only 4 or 5 red amaranth growing. Last year I had more. I had put a lot of seeds, but maybe it was not the correct timing when I saw the seeds, and these came voluntarily from last year. And here I have more red amaranth. This is I'm harvesting for the first time. This is pretty a new plant, so the stems are very tender. So this also I'm going to harvest completely, so it will grow into branches. This is green one, amaranth. So I'm going to mix both since I don't have that much quantity. I'm going to mix both and add some spices, coconut, green chilies, and make it into beautiful dish. So this is my harvest for today. Tomatoes, these are reddish pods. Some dry ones I'm going to separate out. Then from front yard, I got some flowers, hibiscus flowers and vinca and curry leaves, which I'm going to make a hair mask, and my lovely amaranth. So have a great day.